Now, students, question number 4. Arrange the following in ascending order. The numbers, the fractions which are given are 3 by 4, 9 by 10, 5 by 12 and 1 by 2. These all are unlike fraction. So we will make these fraction as like fractions by taking the LCM. We will take the LCM of the denominator. Take the LCM of denominator. Numbers are 4, 10. The denominators are 12 and 2. So we will start with the smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. 2 is a 4, 2 5 is a 10, 2 6 is a 12, and 2 1s are 2. Again, it will go on to 1, 5, 3, again 1. Now, these numbers, neither 5 nor 3 is divisible by 2, so we will move to next prime number, that is 3. 3, 1, 5, 1, 1. Now, only 5 is left, so it will go on 5. 1, 1, 1 and 1. And last, only 1 is left, so LCM will be LCM, that is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So how will you do it? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. LCM is 60. Now we will make the same denominator as 60. Now, I told you in earlier videos also, denominator divide, multiply the numerator. So 60 divide by 4 multiply 3 comma 60 divide by 10 multiply 9 comma 60 divide by 12 multiply 5 comma 60 divide by 2 multiply 1. Now, we will put comma 60 divided by 4, that will be 15 multiply 3 comma 60 divided by 10, that will be 6 multiply 9 comma 60 divided by 15, that will be 5 multiply 5 comma 60 divided by 2, that will be 30 multiply 1. You can put it in bracket also. And the denominator of each and every number will be 60 only. Now, 15 3s are 45, 6 5s are 6 9s are 54 comma 5 5s are 25 and 30 multiply 1 will be 30 only. Now 60. Now you will separate the denominator. 45 upon 60 comma 54 upon 60 comma 25 upon 60 comma 30 upon 60. See, the denominators are same in each and every case. Now check the numerator. Which numerator is greater? This 54 is greater. So write it in sequence and put the sign also. 54 upon 60 is greater than 45 upon 60 greater than 30 upon 60 greater than 25 upon 60. Now 54 upon 60 is equivalent to 9 by 10, comma 45 upon 60 is equivalent to 3 by 4, then 1 by this 30 upon 60 is equivalent to 1 by 2, and the last is 5 by 60. So that will be your answer. Now question number 4, D part. You have to arrange the given numbers. These improper the unlike fractions in ascending order. So what we will do, we will make these like fraction as like fraction by taking the LCM and making the denominator as same. So the denominators are 5, 3, 9, 12 and 20. So we will start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. 5 will remain same, 3 will remain same, 9 will remain same, 6 and 10. Again it will go on 2, 5, 3, 9, 3, 5. Now no even number is there, so we will move to the next prime number, that is 3. 3, 5 as it is, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are 3 and then 5 as it is. Again it will go on 3, 5, 1, 1, again 1 and then 5. Next we will, only 5 is left, so we will divide, we will do it with 5. 5 ones are 5, 1, 1, 1 and 1. We have got all ones here. So LCM of these given numbers will be LCM, that is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36, 5s are 180. So LCM is 180. You will take the common denominator as 180. The same way you will divide the denominator by, this denominator 5, denominator divide, and you will multiply the numerator with the result. So 180 divided by 5 multiply 6, comma 180 divided by 3 multiply 2, comma 180 divided by 9 multiply 4. Next 180 divided by 12 multiply 7, and one more is left, I am writing it here. 180 divided by 20 multiply 11. Now 180 divided by 5. So I will get 36. 36 multiply 6, comma 180 divided by 3, we will get 60 multiply 2, comma 180 divided by 9, we will get 20 multiply 4, comma 180 divided by 12, you will get 15 multiply 7. Next 180 divided by 20, you will get 9 multiply 11 upon the same denominator as 80. No. 36 multiply 6, you will get 216, comma 120, comma 80, comma 70, 100. 15 multiply 7, you will get 105, and 9 multiply 11, you will get 99. The common denominator will be 180. Now we will separate the denominator. 216 upon 180, then 120 upon 180, then 80 upon 180, then 105 upon 180, then 99 upon 180. So which one number is greater? 216. 216 upon 180 is greater than this number, 120 upon 180, then 105 upon 180, then 99 upon 180, then 80 upon 180. Now write the equivalent fraction. 216 means the first number 6 by 5 is greater than 2 by 3 is greater than 105 means 7 by 12 is greater 11 by 20 is greater than last one is 4 by 9. That will be your answer. Now question number 4, arrange the following in ascending order. C part, 12 by 8, 12 by 4, 12 by 6, 12 by 2, 12 by 9 and 12 by 5. In each fraction, see the numerator. In each case, the numerator is 12. So we can treat these 6 fractions as the unit fractions, as the numerator are same in this case. So we will see the denominator. The denominator which is bigger, that fraction will be the smaller fraction. See which number is greater, which denominator is greater here. 9 is greater among all these denominator. So this number will be 12 upon 9 will be the smaller number. You will write 12 by 9. Then next number will be 12 by 8. next number will be 12 by 6. Again, next number will be 12 by 5. Next number will be 12 by 4, and again next number will be 12 by 2. So this will be your answer. Or another way is to take the LCM. Now question number 5. Arrange the following in descending order. A part 7 by 10, 5 by 10, 8 by 11, 4 by 3, 3 by 8. Students, see, in this question the fractions are unlike fractions. So we will make these unlike fractions to like fraction by taking the LCM of the denominator. So I have taken the LCM of denominator. When you take the LCM, you will get the answer as 1320. Now you will make the common denominator 1320, and denominator you will divide 1320 divided by 10, and you will multiply by 7 the numerator. Denominator divide, and you will multiply the numerator. In the same way I have done in each fractions, and the answer which I will get will be, after multiplying it also, I will get the answer as 924, 660, then 960, then 1760, then 495, and after that I have separated the denominators, and I will arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means छोटे से बड़े से छोटा. And after writing it in descending order, you will write the equivalent fraction which were given in the questions, and this will be your answer. Now students, we will do question number 5, C part. Arrange in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. C part, the numbers are given to you, the fractions, unlike fractions, are given to you. 6 by 7, 5 by 15, 4 by 9, 2 by 3. So what you will do, the thing which we have done in earlier videos, you will find the LCM of the denominators. Denominators are 7, 15, 9 and 3. You will find the LCM of these denominators, and the LCM which you will get will be 315. Now you will write the common denominator as 315. Now you will divide 315 by denominator divide, and you will multiply the numerator. Denominator divide, multiply numerator. You can learn it in this way: denominator divide, multiply numerator. Now divide 315 by 7 and multiply 6. Divide 315 by 15 and multiply 5. Divide 315 by 9 and multiply by 4. Now 315 divided by 3 multiply 2. After division, you will get the answer 45 multiply 6. Next is 21 multiply 5. 35 multiply 4. 105 multiply 2. We will write the common denominator. Now after multiplying, you will get 270, 105, 140 and 210. and the denominator will remain 315 only. Now you will separate the denominators, and the numbers which you will get will be 270 upon 315 is greater than 210 upon 315, greater than 140 upon 315, then greater than 105 upon 315. Now you can write these numbers with these fractions with their equivalent fractions. Now this will be your answer, and part D and one more part is left, that is B, are in your homework.